New Zealand is being lashed by a polar blast, described by some forecasters as a once-in-a-lifetime event. Snow fell to sea level in Wellington, a rare sight for locals. The falls were heavier on surrounding hills. In the South Island, blizzard conditions triggered a spate of accidents. Residents had to embark on a long trudge to work, though not everyone was fully geared up for the task.
I don't own any pants. That's about it. Just a hard-up apprentice. Yeah, so just wear shorts all the time.
The icy blast forced the cancellation of scores of flights and cut major highways. Forecasters expect the cold spell to last until at least the middle of the week.